Now I'm going to make Thai glass noodle salad. What I'm using is Thai mung bean noodle. It comes in a package and dry like this. I'm boiling water. Okay, when the water is boiled, put in the boiling water, merge it in, and as soon as merged in, turn off, leave it for a while. And now I'm gonna show you what else for the ingredients. The other ingredients are cooked chopped pork and cooked shrimp, and then sliced sweet onion, mixed salad, and chopped cilantro. And the sauce is made of lime juice, fish sauce, and sugar. And make it tastier by put chopped garlic and chopped Thai hot chili. I let noodles soak in boiling water for a couple minutes, and then when it's soft, I drain it out. And I'm gonna discard the water. I'm gonna use this as a mixing bowl. You can use scissor or you can use knife to cut it down shorter because it's easier to eat. Just cut it down a little bit. Okay, after I cut noodle to make it easy to eat, and then I will add the pork and shrimp, and then garlic and chili, and then the sauce. Mix together so the noodle will absorb the sauce very well. The amount of chili is up to you. If you like it hot, you put in more. If you like it mild, you can add less. And then the last thing, I will skip out some of cilantro to garnish. Otherwise, you put everything all together and mix it up. Doesn't look good. Okay, I'm gonna put all together in the plate. If you want to show the shrimp, you should just take it up. If you don't care, just leave it, hide it inside. That's why I want to set it up. Can you stop?